Hi guys, today we are learning how to create an image using ChatGPT. First, unlock your phone and open the ChatGPT app. Make sure you are logged into your account so all features are available. Once the app opens, you will see the main screen with different options. This is where we will start creating our image. Now look for the option to create an image or simply tap on the message box. Here you can type what kind of image you want to generate. This is where you describe your idea in detail. The clearer your prompt, the better your image will be. Type your full prompt like Spider-Man, nature scene, or any creative idea. Make sure to include details like style, background, and colors. After typing, press the send arrow on the right side. ChatGPT will receive your request and start processing it. Now wait for a few seconds while ChatGPT generates your image. The system will automatically create visuals based on your prompt. You don't need to do anything during this step. Just be patient while it completes the process. Once the image is ready, it will appear on your screen. You can tap on it to view it in full quality. Here you can check if the image matches your idea. If needed, you can also modify the prompt and try again. Now tap on the image and look for the Save option. Click Save to download it into your phone gallery. After saving, you can use the image anywhere you want. It will now be stored in your device. And that's how you can easily create images using ChatGPT. Just type your idea and let ChatGPT turn it into a visual. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.